Case name Hari Kumar, age is 29 years and today date is 3rd November 2025. So I want speech sample before treatment. Why you came here?
I came here for a high pitch issue. So I came to SLP Sanjay Kumar sir for the treatment.
Post therapy video of Hari Kumar, and today date is 10th of November 2025. Hari, I want speech sample after the voice therapy. Why you came here and how do you feel after voice therapy?
Hi, my name is Hari Kumar. I was having a childish voice, so I came to Sanjay Kumar SLP to take the
Voice therapy. Then how do you feel now?
I feel more confidence to speak with outer people.
Okay, any language you can speak, whatever your language you like. And like after the voice therapy, when you spoke to the people, what was the reaction telling their words?
I called to my brother. He was telling that I have given the phone to my friend, so he is speaking behalf me, and I conveyed him that I am speaking through video call.
Okay, in a simple term, he was not able to recognize you.
Yeah.
He was thinking your friend is speaking by your phone. Okay, great. Still in your mother tongue Kannada, what was the problem? How do you feel after the 8 days of voice therapy?
ಹಾಯ್, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಹರಿಕುಮಾರ್. ನನಗೆ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡಿಶ್ ಥರ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು ಮೊದಲು. ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ.
So after therapy, you are feeling more masculine.
Yeah.
Okay, so can we use a video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Yeah, sir.
Thank you so much. And those who are watching this video, if you are able to see positive changes in his voice, like this video, share this video so that people having similar problem get some hope and it reach to a right place. Thank you.